Always take the backup offer when you don't win. Okay, so here just last week, wrote an offer for some clients on this property. Okay, now we came in over asking, but just barely. Somebody else came in 30,000 over asking. That was a shock to me because the market's just strange right now. It's hard to know, but we made a smart offer. It was a good offer, a solid offer. My clients were willing to close the transaction. So somebody came in with cash, and you see this over and over again. They wanted to have control, so they came in way over what they should have, probably planning on trying to negotiate price reduction while they're in their due diligence period. In this case, I told my clients, really bummer, but let's take a backup position where we basically sign a document that puts us into first position automatically if the people that won, who are now in first position, terminate for any reason. So no one else gets another chance to come in and outbid us. Okay, so a lot of times the sellers will gladly take the backup offer. Obviously, they feel like whoever won the deal is going to stay in the deal, but very oftentimes they don't. I have ended up picking up so many deals. I can tell you, I've lost count of them in a backup position. So, you just have to kind of sit there patiently and wait, keep looking at other properties, but there's that chance you're going to get the call. And today we got the call on this property, and guess what? We're in first position. So it was great news to my clients. So if your agent is not talking to you about these things that can come up, these strategies, reach out to me at MrBendOregon.com. Paul Frazier here in Bend. You can Google me and easily contact me. But yeah, go to MrBendOregon.com. Hey, and if you like this content, if it's valuable, like, share, follow, the routine. And I hope that you will reach out if you're thinking about coming to Bend, Oregon anytime here in the near future. Talk soon.